Hi guys, it's Michelle from Scrap Secrets and welcome to another haul video. So this haul is from Hero Arts. I'm going to show you guys what I got. First, I wanted to say happy Valentine's Day. Hope you guys are all having a great day. We have a 3-day weekend. We have Monday off, so I'm super excited about that. So it'll be a nice long weekend for us. So I'm going to do lots of craft stuff. Perfect timing for the Hero Arts monthly kit to come in. So I got the kit and then a couple other things. This is the February kit. I'm going to show you what I got. So this is the kit here, and it says creativity in a box. Cute. They used to do like baker's twine on theirs. They don't seem to do that anymore. People were commenting about that. I never really realized it. So in the kit, you get these little confetti pieces, which are great for shaker cards, or you can glue these to backgrounds. So they are going in my drawer of confetti pieces and things like that. Then you get these lacquer pens in 3 different colors, and this is great for the frosting for the stamps that I'm going to show you guys. And that's my cat. I don't know what she's freaking out about. She just, every time I get on a video, she freaks out. I'm right here, she's down here, so I don't know. Anyway, this is the Hero Arts monthly kit, and it has all kinds of birthday and celebration stuff on it, but it doesn't have to be birthday. Like, it's cute. There's cupcakes and balloons, so it could be a celebration, a congratulations thing too. It doesn't have to be birthday, and they're all kind of like that. So this could be, it has the candles on it, but if you mask the candles off, you could do like a wedding cake. And then on the back, there are dies that go along with it. Let me take this out. I love that they decorate the card that goes in with it. It's in the theme. So it's got sprinkles all over the back of it. I have to find a good way to store these kits because I just really I don't have a bin for Hero Arts yet. So then you have this on the front, and then if you can see the back, see all the sprinkles and stuff, and there's all of the dies. So the stamps on the front, there are all coordinating dies for the stamped images, not these big backgroundish stamps. There's no dies for those, but for all of the images there are. Super cute. And then these lacquer pens they're a little puffy. They're not too much dimension, but it gives it a little bit of dimension, and it makes for really nice icing on things. So that's the kit this month, and the kit is $34.99. This month, I don't know. Some months it's definitely worth it. This month, I don't buy the kit. Like, I don't do a monthly subscription. I just bought it. I liked some of the stuff in here. $35. To me, I don't think it's worth $35. I know that it probably retails for more because the dies are included, but I don't normally buy dies. So for me, it might have been a bad buy, but I do want to try these lacquer pens out, so I guess it was kind of worth it. A lot of months it really is worth it. Like the Christmas one, totally worth it. I think it was like October, November ones, but the add-ons are what I love. And this one is, I bought this specifically for the girls because they love anything unicorn. And as soon as I saw that you could turn this cake into a unicorn, I had to get it. Just look at how cute that is with the little ears. There are coordinating dies, but again, I don't buy the coordinating dies because I have a Brother Scan and Cut, which I've recently learned how to use very well. And I just think that they come out just as well. And actually, I will cut right up to the line so that there's no white border around it. But you can set it to make it have a white border, and you can make the white border as large or as small as you want it to be. So within certain increments. So there's just a lot of different ways that you can decorate these cakes. You have the unicorn eyes. You can make it a unicorn. You can put little ears on it. These are not in there, so you can stamp these separately, and you can do the swags, make it a really nice wedding card, but you have the candles, so you can make it a birthday card or birthday cake. So there's a lot of different things you can do with this. I just thought that was adorable. I do have a lot of birthday things, but who could resist? These ones are so cute. So the theme, obviously, this month is like sweets and birthday. So this one is this is another birthday stamp. Let me see. They have the names of these. That first one was That was Decorate a Cake, I want to say. $4.38. That one was, this one's Decorate a Cake. And this one is $4.37. Your Top Tier. And this has the cupcakes on it. Just thought that was so adorable with that. And I like the cupcake with the little birthday candle on it. And then these ones, you don't have any candles on there, so it can just be for decoration, sweets, birthday party. It can be really for anything. And then there are sentiments on here, so I like that. And then there's confetti that you can actually make a background for. The next one is $4.35, which is surprise gift. And I did not buy the dies for any of these, but you can have a character popping out of this. You can have the lid turned off to the side. You can do some masking, kind of have the lid turn off of it, have balloons popping out of it. I think that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to have some balloons. I have some MFT balloons. I think I'm going to have them pop out of there like as a surprise. But then, you have your sentiments that will go along with it. And again, you can create your own background with the confetti pieces. And the last one that I got was $4.40, and this is Time for Cake. And I like that this has different kinds of cakes, but also has a slice. So if you just want to do like a little pun with a slice, a piece of cake kind of thing, like life is a piece of cake, or hope your day's a piece of cake, something like that, you can just do that. But then this one has, a piece cut out of it. So you could do colors on the inside. So somebody did like a rainbow one inside. And then you have a cupcake. And then this is one of the popular drip cakes. Thank you to the Kids Baking Championship that I know that kind of stuff, drip cakes. And then you have this cute little topper that you can put on top of that. So obviously this month was birthday, so I think there's a lot you can do with this. Everybody always needs birthday cards. I feel like every month I have a ton of birthdays, so I will be making some birthday cards for future birthdays. It is my goddaughter's first birthday at the end of this month. We're super excited, and so I have stuff to make for her. Her birthday party will be next month, and it is a donut theme. So the twins already made their birthday cards for her when they were here this weekend, which were super cute. We did donut themed ones too. So I will be working on her birthday card because she is my baby goddaughter. She's the last one. I have 4 godchildren, and she's the baby one, and she's probably my last. So I have to make something very, very special for her. Not that all of them aren't special, but she's my little baby. So I have to do something special, and it's her first birthday, so we have to do something good for her. So I'll be working on that stuff this weekend. I hope that you guys have had a great Valentine's Day. Hopefully you guys had off of work. I unfortunately had to work, but it wasn't too rough of a day, so that's good. But I will see you guys again real soon for another video. Stay tuned. There is a lot of stuff coming up. I will be, the beginning of next month, there will be a challenge hop that I'm part of, another Courtney Kreber challenge. So that's exciting. I did my video last night, hoping that was the one that I'm going to turn in because I like it, but it wasn't fantastic. It was a very rough challenge. And there's going to be some more stuff. I am going to start my new series, the 10 ways, 10 different ways to use things, like products that we all probably have in our stash, and try to look at things differently. So there's that one. I do have a list of those things. I did write them all down. So there's a lot, but that's going to take a lot of editing. And then lots of card projects because I am a card making machine lately. I have really been down in the craft room and making things. So hopefully I will be able to share a lot of that with you guys. Some of it I can't share right now because it's for challenges or things like that, so you'll see them in the future. But didn't want you to think that I was out here doing nothing. I am getting crafty. Hopefully you have stuck to the end of this video and me rambling. Hope that you like this. There will be videos of me using some of this stuff, especially the lacquer. So I will see you guys again soon, real soon, in another video. Bye!